Hi, how are
Hi,
you?
I'm good.
Thank you so much for having us.
Yeah, welcome.
Asante sana.
Karibuni sana, pole kwa safari.
Asante.
Yeah,
Tumefurahi kuwa hapa.
yes.
Yes, we are happy that you could host us, at
Yeah.
least for today. And we really just look forward to the farm tour. We look forward to seeing what we have been seeing online. Tumekuja tujione sasa. We've come to see with our own eyes.
Yeah, karibuni sana.
My name is Dennis Mwoki. I'm the CEO and founder of Ripe Grow Enterprises Farm, a farm that is located in Makueni County. And it's our pleasure to welcome you to a tour to our farm. You can book your space via Rise Africa platform, and you come and we learn more about farming